Scientists found a genetic mutation in wild jaguars. Should we try to preserve it or let evolution decide? This question ignites a fierce debate within the scientific community. The mutation discovered in a small, isolated jaguar population presents a unique evolutionary scenario. It potentially confers an advantageous trait, perhaps related to hunting or survival. However, it also raises concerns about genetic bottlenecking and the long-term health of the population. Evolution, the driving force of biodiversity, operates on principles of natural selection. Mutations, the raw material of evolution, arise randomly. Some mutations prove beneficial, enhancing an organism's fitness. Others are detrimental, leading to reduced survival or reproduction. Still others are neutral, having no immediate impact. The concept of genetic rescue involves human intervention to bolster a struggling population's genetic diversity. This often involves introducing individuals from other populations to introduce new genes. But intervening with a specific mutation raises different ethical considerations. Are we playing God by deciding which mutations are worth preserving? Or are we fulfilling a responsibility to protect endangered species from human-induced threats? The jaguar, an apex predator, plays a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Its decline can have cascading effects on the entire food web. Habitat fragmentation and poaching have severely impacted jaguar populations across their range. The isolated population with the genetic mutation may be particularly vulnerable. Its small size makes it susceptible to inbreeding and genetic drift. The mutation could be a double-edged sword, providing an immediate advantage while increasing long-term vulnerability. Scientists employ genetic sequencing to understand the nature and impact of the mutation. Population modeling helps predict the long-term consequences of different management strategies. Conservation biologists grapple with the complexities of balancing human intervention with natural processes. Some argue that we should let natural selection run its course. They believe that interfering with evolution could have unintended consequences. Others contend that we have a moral obligation to protect endangered species, especially those facing anthropogenic threats. The ethical debate extends beyond jaguars to other endangered species with unique genetic variations. The principle of evolutionary significant units guides conservation efforts. It recognizes that populations with distinct genetic adaptations may warrant special protection. However, defining and prioritizing these units is a challenging task. The precautionary principle suggests that we should err on the side of caution. If the long-term consequences of the mutation are uncertain, we should avoid intervention. The role of climate change further complicates the issue. Rapid environmental changes may render previously advantageous mutations obsolete, or they might amplify the value of a mutation previously deemed insignificant. The question of who decides which mutations to preserve is also critical. Should it be scientists, conservation organizations, or local communities? Transparency and public engagement are essential for building trust and ensuring ethical decision-making. The case of the jaguar mutation highlights the tension between preserving genetic diversity and allowing natural evolutionary processes. It forces us to confront our role in shaping the future of life on Earth. The scientific community is still grappling with the implications of this discovery. More research is needed to fully understand the mutation's impact. The debate underscores the need for a nuanced and ethical approach to conservation genetics. We must carefully weigh the potential benefits and risks of human intervention. The future of the jaguar and many other species depends on our ability to make informed and responsible decisions. We must strive to balance our desire to preserve biodiversity with a respect for the natural processes that have shaped life on Earth. The decision is not simple, and there is no single correct answer. The discussion itself is vital for the advancement of conservation science. It compels us to consider the profound implications of our actions. Ultimately, the choice reflects our understanding of our place in the natural world. It also reflects our commitment to the future of biodiversity.